How did you come up with this idea?
So way back in the day, there was Arts, Authors, and Us. You guys heard of that? One thing that teachers wanted to bring back was Arts, Authors, and Us. And what Arts, Authors, and Us were, they would have an artist or an author come. They would break into workshops. And so we didn't bring an artist or an author in, but we did the workshop model. Ideas like Cougar Community Connection, which aligns with our district's strategic plan, which is Community Connection. We have 90 volunteers at the school today. Parents, community members, Kaniksu Land Trust is here. The Bulldogs are here for music, for running, and for the gym.
They contain actual fossilized shark teeth from Morocco. They contain actual dinosaur chunks from Montana or Wyoming. And they contain, we talked about the ray teeth, the stingray teeth. And also we put in some fun little trinkets that you guys will find as you dig through it. So some of them could be really hard. You're going to have to use your chisel.
So miniature horses are a little bit different to take care of than big horses.
Your beading project, or you volunteered?
No, this is Mrs. Taddix.
Oh, okay.
I'm just volunteering.
Nice. Why did you guys choose this workshop? Do you like making bracelets?
Because I thought it was really interesting. And I really liked it.
Okay, so you're making pottery cats and dogs.
Yes, and most of the kids picked dogs.
So you guys excited?
Yeah.
Is this fun?
Yeah. Can I do mine like this?
Why did you choose pottery?
I do it a lot in Miss Olmec's class in fourth grade.
So you guys, your ears
Good time. This is your favorite?
Yeah.
Why?
I want it because my mom used to really like it and she always wanted something like this.
Oh, that's great. So you're making it for your mom, huh?
Cat.
A cat, nice. So what are you doing here?
We're making a picture frame.
A picture frame? Are you enjoying it? What has been your favorite part so far?
Making like details like
The details. Oh, like the deer?
He's laying it out. He's placed all the rocks where he wants them, and then I glue them down for him.
Oh, that's great.